In this video, I will show you how to replace the AC cabin air filter in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Start by opening the glove box and remove all the contents inside. Now look at the top corners of the glove box. There are 2 stoppers, one on each side. To remove a stopper, grab it by hand, twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the other stopper the same way. Next, disconnect the damper arm on the side of the glove box. Just pull it outward to release it from its mounting pin. Now lower the glove box completely and behind it you will see the HVAC housing. This is the cabin air filter cover. To open the cover, squeeze the locking tabs on the left side, then remove the cover and set it aside. Behind the cover you will see the old filter. Just grab it and pull it straight out. Before fully removing the old filter, take a note of the airflow direction arrow printed on the side of the filter. The new air filter must be installed with the airflow arrow pointing in the same direction. This is how the old filter looks like after 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles. This is the part number for the cabin air filter. Make sure the part number on the new filter matches with your old filter. Take a new cabin air filter and slide it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow is pointing in the correct direction. Reinstall the filter cover and make sure it clicks into place. Lift the glove box back into position and reconnect the damper arm. Then reinstall the 2 stoppers. Insert the stopper into the hole and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Once everything is reassembled, turn on the climate control system and verify that air is flowing properly through the vents. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeJoin for more DIY automotive tutorials. Thanks for watching.